guys, it's Shilpa here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be reviewing pimple patches from the brand called Spot Patch. I recently came across this brand through Instagram and I will leave their link or handle in the description box so you can check out. So now first, let's just talk about what pimple patches are and what they claim. So to be more specific, pimple patches are like acne/pimple stickers which you can apply on affected area and probably leave it overnight or for at least 15 to 20 hours. So basically these patches helps to treat pimples and also to minimize the appearance of pimples. So as I said earlier, I have these acne patches from the brand called Spot Patch and you can try any brand of your choice. And also I went on Nykaa to search for acne patches and I found just one brand, that is Face Shop Dr. Belmore. Those patches were for like $7.90, that is almost $800 for 80 patches, which I feel is quite expensive. On the other hand, if I talk about this brand Spot Patch, particularly in original variant, this one is priced at ₹500 for 21 patches. And it is written over here 500. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not, but it is written 500, but it's always on discount on Amazon. Currently also it's on discount. I will leave a screenshot over here. It's for ₹269 and I think it's a steal deal because pimple patches in general are quite expensive. Talking about the packaging, this is how the packaging looks. It comes in this sort of cardboard box and the brand name is mentioned at the top, and the first line which is written is that pop pimples without pressure, reduces acne scars and promote healing. So both of them are different variants and comes in different sizes, which is mentioned on the packaging itself. And also if you're someone who is very new to this acne patch or pimple patch concept, then everything is mentioned, like directions, and also pictorial directions are also given, features, caution, ingredients, and everything is mentioned. So after opening the cardboard box, this is how the acne patches look. It comes in this sort of transparent sheet. So last but not the least, I'm left with this one, Spot Patch Free Cut. It's basically a big sheet, 10 into 10 centimeter sheet from which you can make number of patches. So I have three variants with me. The first one is the original variant, the second one is the slim one, and the third one is the free cut. So now let's just talk about the difference between all the three variants. So the difference between original and the slim variant is that the slim one is ultra thin and it blends with your skin, and you can even wear these patches underneath your makeup. It will just look like your skin. Original one comes in different sizes while slim one comes in only one size. In original one you will get 12mm 3 patches, 10mm 6 patches and 8mm 12 patches, while in slim one you will get 10mm 18 patches. So I'm already done with the slim variant and I can show you also. You can see I'm already done with this one, and currently I'm using the original variant, which is also equally good. The formula of these pimple patches is exactly the same and both work equally good. The only difference is thickness and sizes. Both of them are priced at ₹500 and both of them are currently on discount on Amazon. The original one is at $269 and slim one is at $299. So we are left with the last one, which is Free Cut. Free Cut is basically a big patch from which you can make a lot of patches. You can see it's this sort of sheet. So this is how it looks. It's a 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter sheet. So this one is priced at ₹1000 and currently it's for $499 on Amazon. So now let's just talk about the ingredients. So these pimple patches are made up of hydrochloride. Hydrochloride is basically a moisture absorbing dressing which is commonly used to treat or heal chronic wounds. And acne patches are the mini dressings for small wounds and zits. So what hydrochloride do is that it protects the pimple from any external bacteria, dust or sunlight. It draws gunk out of the blemish and will prevent scars. So now let's just talk about what types of pimples I get on my face. I get two types of pimples on my face. The first one is pus pimples and the second one is plain pimples. For the pus pimple, it will gonna take 1 day to heal, and in the morning when you will remove the patch, you can actually see the pus on that patch, and the next day you can use the fresh patch so that whatever left can also heal. And now talking about the plain pimples or surface level pimples, to me those are like the most painful and also the most stubborn pimples. And on me, those kind of pimple takes 6 to 7 days to heal. But if I use these pimple patches, these will just heal the pimple in like 2 or 3 days max. And these patches will just ease the process. So I'm gonna apply these acne patches overnight. So you can see I do have a little acne situation going on. I do have 3 big zits. So yeah, I will be applying it overnight and we will gonna see whether these acne patches have worked or not. So the first and very important step is that you have to apply these acne patches on clean face. Otherwise it will not work properly or it will not stick to your skin properly. So make sure you have a proper cleansed face. And also one thing, after cleansing your face, please don't apply any sort of moisturizer or something because it will gonna make your face little sticky. So what you have to do is that you have to press the cut film to take off the patch and then you can apply it to the affected area. And also you have to use an approximately sized patch that can completely cover your blemish. So I have applied 3 patches and I'm gonna keep it overnight for like 8 to 9 hours. But if you guys want to see maximum result, then I would highly recommend to keep it for like 15 to 20 hours. So this is the footage of next morning and I can clearly see that acne patches have turned flat. So I'm gonna start removing acne patches one by one and see whether it has worked or not. So you can see it definitely have reduced the size of the pimple and also the patch has absorbed oil and pus. I'm also gonna share close-up so that you can have a better idea. So here you can see the gunk and pus that acne patch has absorbed. So at this point you can also apply a fresh patch so that whatever left can also heal. So in all, I think these acne patches does really work, and if you have sensitive acne prone skin then you should definitely try these out. It will help you to reduce the pain and inflammation. These ones are quite affordable, like for 269 rupees. You can try and see for yourself. And also one thing, I'm not saying कि एक दिन में आपका पिंपल गायब हो जाएगा. No, that's not how it works. So what will pimple patch do? Pimple patch will reduce the size and pain of that pimple, and it also helps to ease the process. And जो healing process होता है उसको fasten करने के लिए help करेगा. And also it will take care of the scars. And also for pus pimples, it will pop the pimple naturally and it's a painless method. It will remove oil and pus from that pimple, and literally जब आप उस patch को remove करोगे तो आपको उसमें पस दिखे. So with that, I hope you guys liked the video. Do comment down below what more you want to see, and I'll see you next time with a brand new video. Bye guys.